Hello mates, hope all are doing great. If you think you are not benefited from creating an eBay account I'm going to share the 16 best ways that you can use to increase your eBay sales. Hello mates, hope all are doing great. If you think you are not benefited from creating an eBay account and did not get any good sales from eBay, now want to close your eBay account, nothing to worry about it. Today's this video is just for you. I'm going to share the 16 best ways that you can use to increase your eBay sales. Let's continue. Yes, here is your today's beloved host Tifa and I appreciate you being on the channel today. You are watching eComClips. I have come up with how you can increase your sales rate and be profitable at the same time. Let's go. Number 1. List new items every day. Stores that are active and offer new products on an ongoing basis are rewarded. The eBay algorithm favors sellers that list new products often, so keeping your listing fresh will help you to increase your sales on eBay. Additionally, new items show up at the top of the time newly listed option on eBay search. Number 2. Try an eBay promoted listings campaign. As a paid advertising service, eBay promoted listings are an opportunity to get your inventory in front of more potential customers. If used effectively, it could give your sales figures as a great boost. eBay promoted listings are eligible to appear more often in prominent locations, similar to paid search engines ad. So, if you want more sales, this is a proactive approach. Here are some points that you need to know while doing eBay promotions. Number 1. Advertise those items that are in high demand and that you have in your stock. Number 2. Promoted listings drive more traffic to your best match listings. Number 3. You can set a daily budget for the eBay PPC for each item. Number 4. Make sure that your eBay listings are perfect and optimized before running the promotion. Let's come to know number 3. Use keywords to attract views. Keywords can play a vital role in eBay to get your product ranked organically. You need to choose your keywords wisely on eBay as you only get 80 characters on the title. So let's say for instance, if I'm selling a shirt, I must use the keywords shirt at the very beginning, but not at the end. Cotton shirt for man is a good title with good keywords, but if I put the keywords at the end, that would not make it good at all. Next, number 4. Ship fast and free whenever possible. All online shoppers want free shipping and returns, but not all e-commerce businesses can offer it. Offering free shipping is another great way to increase your eBay sales. But make sure you only offer it once you have covered the cost. Next, number 5. Remove negative reviews. No one likes getting negative feedback or being criticized, but the harsh reality is that it is a part of our business and life. Removing negative feedback on eBay makes a huge difference to your reputation, product visibility, and sales. What's worse is that it can sometimes be completely out of your control. If you have been left a bad review, don't panic. You can remove negative feedback on eBay in some cases, or fix the situation to encourage the customers to take it down themselves. If you can reduce your negative feedback, you will be surprised how much it increases eBay sales. Be professional and polite on your response. If there is a mistake on the buyer's behalf, explain this clearly. If the problem was your fault, apologize and say what steps you will take to ensure it won't happen again. Number 6. Get eBay top-rated seller status. eBay's top-rated seller status is an incentive for sellers to provide excellent customer service and offer a generous returns policy. Let's take a look at how to become a top-rated seller on eBay. You must have Point 1. An active account for 90 days or more. Number 2. A minimum of 100 transactions and 1,000 in sales with US shoppers over the past year. Next point. A history of resolving customer issues. Cases closed without a seller resolution can't exceed 0.3% or 2 cases. Number 4. A maximum defect rate of 0.5% on transactions. Number 5. No more than 3% of late shipping. Number 7. Offer a generous return policy. Unfortunately, returns are a part of e-commerce life. E-commerce returns are not all bad news though. Having a clear, well-written e-commerce returns policy is just good business sense. Here's what to include in yours. Number 1. Explain what types of returns or exchange you offer. Number 2. Describe the condition required for all return products. Number 3. Determine the return and exchange period. Number 4. Be upfront about return shipping cost. Number 5. Give step-by-step instructions for making a good return. Number 6. Tell the customer what happens after they send in their return. Number 7. Explain what happens if a return is denied. Number 8. For large online stores, consider a FAQ page. Number 9. Returns can be good for business. Friends, always try a better way to support your customers. Keep this in your mind. Number 8. Share your listings on social media. Social media has been the fastest growing driver of e-commerce referrals in recent years. Instagram's growing e-commerce influence has been a massive contributor to this. Selling on Instagram has become much easier and is now an essential part of e-commerce marketing. Let's know how to sell on Instagram. Number 1. Connect your Facebook and Instagram account. Number 2. Connect a Facebook. Number 3. Sign up for the Instagram app. Number 4. Turning Instagram shopping on. And number 5 is start tagging. Now that you know how to sell on Instagram, you should work to constantly improve your presence on the platform. Use Instagram Insights to gather data and improve your post. So guys, that's been the first 8 points on how you can increase your eBay sales. Let's not make you bored guys. We will discuss the rest of the 8 points in our next part. Today we discussed many things and we have learned a lot. Let us know if you have any questions or any confusion. We will try our best to help you guys. Take a look at our website www.ecomclips.com and share our videos as much as you can. Stay connected and stay safe. Good luck.